In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear shock absorbers on this Ford F-150. This is part of your rear suspension, located behind your rear wheels. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Safely make your way underneath the vehicle. We're going to locate the rear shock. On the driver's side, it's towards the rear of the rear differential. Over on the passenger side, it's going to be up along the front. But essentially, the process will be the same. We'll start down along the bottom of the rear shock where it connects to your differential tube bracket. Use an 18mm to hold the mounting nut and a 15mm for the mounting bolt. As we make our way up here, for the mounting nut, which is on the inboard side, it's actually a small winged nut and it has a tab that protrudes out. So we don't need to use a wrench here, but you do want to be extremely careful in case that swings around for any pinch points. And we're using a 15mm for the mounting bolt. Let's take hold of that rear shock, remove that bolt. Okay friend, let's prepare our brand new shock for installation. We'll start with it fully expanded. We're going to compress this down as far as possible, let it re-expand, and we'll repeat this process approximately 3 to 5 times, charging the shock. Let's get our new rear shock in position here. We're going to start up along the top. Slide that into the mounting bracket. We'll continue on with our mounting bolts from the outside towards the inside. We'll continue on with the lower aspect here. You're going to have to either raise or lower the shock as needed. Once you have both pieces of mounting hardware installed, we'll continue on to snugging them up and torquing them to 66 foot-pounds. Now we'll make our way up to the upper mounting hardware. For this, once again, you want to be extremely careful for any pinch points. As you can see, when I turn this bolt clockwise, it's going to want to spin forward. We'll be torquing this to 66 foot-pounds as well. Okay friend, we finished our installation. Once you finished one side, you go over and do the exact same thing on the other side of the vehicle. The process is the same. After that, go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test and listen for any odd noises. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.